Hi! In this tutorial I will show you how to after-tap BPM in Resolume. We will count the BPM depending on audio signal and tap parameter with DMX routing. Let's start. Open Settings. Set the parameters for audio input. They will be different depending on your audio input or sound card. Turn on external audio input. Open DMX tab. Create a new DMX input and select the network device in the network adapter. You may also select localhost if you are not connected to a network. Create an empty composition. Create two groups. In one group we will put content, and the other one will be used for the BPM counter. Add solid color from the source. In the color settings, set saturation to 0. Set brightness from the audio input. Let's set DMX signal routing. Select shortcuts and edit DMX. Create a shortcut on the tab button. And press tab. Open Output Advanced Settings. Create Lumiverse. In target IP, select your IP address. Open Fixture Editor and create a new fixture with size 1 by 1. Select it in the settings. Switch the input source to the BPM group. And save settings. Let's turn on the music. Now it's time to tune the equalizer settings. BPM tap will be triggered depending on the audio signal. To disable BPM preview, you need to switch the monitoring to a group with content. Now you can enable sync with the BPM for clips or effects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.